Hey, I'm Kevin. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today we're going to do some New York strip on the Pit Boss. I'm going to throw some green beans on there too. And then over on the Blackstone, we're going to do some smashed potatoes and make a complete meal. So let me get the cover off of this Pit Boss and we'll get going. Okay, first things first, let's get these green beans on. They got to smoke a little longer before we get the steaks on. So let's get these on. First, you got to fry the bacon on the Blackstone. Got it all cooked up. Crumble it up into the green beans and we'll get these on the grill. Okay, so we got the bacon and the green beans. And we're going to get them over to the Pit Boss and let these smoke a little while before we get our steaks on. And that's how easy that is. Get the whole meal going. Probably go, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. What I didn't show you was preparing the New York strip. I just put some garlic, pepper, and salt on it, and you don't need to see all that. We're just going to get them on the grill right now. Okay, here's our New York steak. I got probes in them. We're going to take these up to about 115, and then we'll put a sear on them. Everybody here wants a medium, not a rare or medium rare, so we're also going to throw a piece of chicken on there. So here we go. Got our green beans going. We're going to throw our chicken over here, right there. We'll be back in a few. Okay, for these smashed potatoes, we picked up some little golden potatoes at the store. Just add some water, fill it up above there, heat it up, get them boiling. Test them with a fork. These look like they're ready. Drain the water and let them cool. And then we'll get them out on the griddle. We're going to make some smashed potatoes with some avocado oil. Put that on there. We're using some golden potatoes. Let it heat up a minute. Okay. And we are Man Kitchen Recipes, so we got the mallet out again. We're going to set the potatoes on here. We're going to take our spatula and we're going to mash them. Take out your aggressions of the day. Get some oil on the bottom of that. Do you have to use a mallet? Nah. You can use your hamburger smasher if you want. That one out of the way. Demonstrate that. Smash it down. I think it's more fun with the mallet myself. I should use the parchment paper. It don't stick. There we go. Smashed potatoes. Help it come up a little bit. You just want to crisp them up a little bit. And of course, I gotta sprinkle my salt, pepper, garlic pepper. do have the heat set on kind of a medium-high. having steak fries with our steaks, we're going to have smashed potatoes with our steaks. Those are getting a really good crust on them. Go on this side for a few minutes, pull them off, and call them done. All right, we're going to get these off. Kind of like little potato cakes. Smashed golden potatoes. You can put sour cream, whatever. You can load them up or just eat them plain with salt and garlic pepper. And I hear the temperature gauge on my steaks going off, so we're going to have to attend to those. There you go, smashed potatoes. So the alarm is going off on my steaks. So we're going to move the chicken over. We're going to move this over. Go ahead and pull these thermometers out of the steak. We're going to crank this up to 350. And let's go 400. And then we will sear the steaks. Okay, we're going to get these steaks on the searing feature. We'll go for about 30-40 seconds. Flip them over. Good char marks on there. These over here for right now and get the other two on there. Okay, so we do have some grease on the heat shield, catching fire there a little bit. It's alright, we'll squirt some water on there, put it out. Let these steaks sear up a little bit. $135, be a good medium. Get me taking these off at the grill, but I'm going to get these inside. We'll cut one open for you. And then we'll show you what they look like. Man, look at that. Perfect medium. Served up with some green beans and smashed potatoes. This New York strip is going to be good. Let's give it a taste. Okay, let's give this New York strip a taste. And it looks good. Okay, here we go. Oh, man. Really good. Really tender. That was done just right. Tell you what, if this was a brisket, we could probably do the pull test. Man, this New York strip on the Pit Boss, so good. Medium rare. No, medium. I did them all medium. Yeah. It's good. So I did them at 115, took them to the internal temp to 115, and then we seared them. After I seared them, it brought the internal temp up to about 135, which made them a perfect medium. Oh, so good. All right, man. Get out there and make you some New York strip.